How to fix low call volume on iPhone. Here are several fixes you can try. First, while you're on a phone call, press the volume up button to make sure the call volume is turned all the way up. Keep in mind that the volume buttons adjust the call volume only when you're actively on a call. Next, check if your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device, like wireless earbuds or a car stereo. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Bluetooth and disconnect any devices you're not using. Next, inspect the earpiece speaker at the top of your iPhone. If it's blocked by dust or debris, gently clean it using a soft, dry brush. If you're using a thick screen protector or phone case, make sure it isn't covering the earpiece speaker. You should also restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Turn your iPhone back on after a few seconds. Next, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, then tap on Software Update and install any available updates. If the problem continues, reset all settings by going to Settings. Tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Then tap Reset All Settings. This won't erase your personal data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and sound preferences. If you still can barely hear callers after trying these steps, the earpiece speaker may have a hardware issue, and it's a good idea to contact Apple support or visit an Apple-authorized service provider for further assistance. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed the low call volume on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.